Good morning. So I have just checked into my hotel. The time is 7:30 a.m. Pacific. The hotel name is St. Regis and I am in a standard queen size room. This is not the St. Regis hotel chain. It's a family owned location and the hotel is nice, I would say. It's not fancy or a high end hotel, but it's in the middle of the downtown and everything is so accessible. So this is a view of the closet that comes with a safe, iron and an ironing board and shower gowns. There is a mirror. Hello. There's a flat screen TV with a coffee machine and some cups, a sofa and a queen size bed for two people. And there's a TV in the bedroom as well. But that's pretty neat. Usually the hotels they don't have two separate TVs in a standard queen size room. There is a view of the Seymour Street, and there is a Tim Hortons, similar to the Dunkin' Donuts chain we have in the US, 7-Eleven. The bed is relatively small, in my opinion, so for two adults, it may be a little difficult to sleep at night, but for one person, I think this is a sufficient size bed. And here is the shower, and this was something I was really looking forward to because, as you know, in my journey on the train, I did not take a shower for 3 straight days. So, this is the shower room. The toiletries here are from the brand La Occitan, which is a French company, and I'm very impressed with the way the toiletries are arranged here. Usually, you get bottles of shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner, but here it's not like that. Here, I have these dispensers to ensure that any unused toiletries don't go for a waste and people are using only as much as they need. So, this is something I have seen for the very first time ever in any hotel, be it in India, in Canada, or in the US. So I find this thing impressive as well as economical. I like the bathroom as well as this room. The room number is 107, and wherever they could, they have the emblems of St. Regis everywhere. The room is very clean, and there are two pieces of chocolates. One is here, the other one is here. I am impressed given the size of the room and the price I paid for it, which I'm going to tell you in couple of minutes. So I have finally sat down in my hotel room. It's very cozy, it's very comfortable, and the vibe that I am getting is of a 3 to 4 star hotel room. When I was researching hotels, this one had very good reviews and people have provided positive feedback. And upon coming here, I totally agree with it. The staff was very nice. The gentleman at the reception desk, he checked me in couple of minutes only and gave me detailed instructions on how to use the elevators, where the breakfast rooms are, what are the service hours, and everything. In addition to that, they allowed me to do a early check-in. Their usual check-in time is 3 p.m., but I have checked in about 8 hours earlier, so that's a privilege. Otherwise, I don't know where I would have gone for so many hours. However, even though the breakfast is included in my tariff, but since I'm doing a early check-in, the breakfast for today is not included. While walking here from the train station, I did not see too many options for food available at this time. It's still quite early in the morning. Other than coffee places, some daily stores, I did not find any nice options to have a breakfast. So I plan on eating here only, but we'll see. Now coming to the price I paid for the stay, it's little tricky because when I made my reservation couple of months ago, I called directly at the hotel instead of booking it through one of the websites. So, including the 25% discount which they had for summer, my per night tariff for 4 nights was $171, including taxes. But recently, my plan changed, and I'm going to Whistler with my sister tomorrow for 2 nights. So, I had to change my reservation here. So because of which I am paying a new price now. I'm getting a 10% discount, and the price I'm paying currently, it's about $210 to $215. Even though the room is not too big, it's a standard queen size bedroom. The bed is slightly smaller than what I would have preferred, but for me as an individual, I think that's a good enough space. But for two adults, I think it may be a little tight space to share the bed. The location is very good. There is a train station right on the next block. There is a Tim Hortons, a 7-Eleven, and A&W. So there are food options too. And this location is centrally connected. And that was primarily the reason that I chose to book this hotel, in addition to the good reviews. Now, there is something tricky which I wish I had known earlier, or at least asked earlier before coming here. There is no laundry room, and I wanted to do my laundry here. I can request a laundry, but they are going to charge like $60 flat rate. I don't have that many clothes, so it doesn't make sense to spend $60 on the laundry. I will probably do it once we are in Whistler. I am impressed with the hotel, and I am really looking forward to my stay here tonight. So this was my review of the St. Regis property in downtown Vancouver. Hello again. Finally, I have had a shower after 3 full days. It feels so good. I don't know why, but until now, I always took taking a shower for granted. But it's certainly not the case. Yeah, having a shower is a privilege, and in literal sense, not many people in the world get this opportunity. So yeah, I'm very lucky to be able to have a shower every single day of my life. Anyways, so I had a shower. Now I'm going to go downstairs, check out what's there for the breakfast, and afterwards my plan is to explore the city. There are a couple of options. I can go to Stanley Park, or I can go to one of the aquariums they have here. Right now the time is around 8:15 a.m. So I have the entire day to myself, and I did not plan any itinerary for today. So whatever the recommendations are, I'm going to check with the hotel staff, and I'll follow those and keep sharing the video with you. So stay tuned. This is my hotel room, number 107. This is the elevator which I'm going to take down to the breakfast room. Lobby. This is the hotel lobby of St. Regis. This is the outside of my hotel, St. Regis. As you can see, it is a small hotel with only 5 floors. You will be surprised that the hotel doesn't feel like a small hotel. The vibe is something you would get in a 3 to 4 star hotel. The rooms are comfortable. The staff is very nice. I did have my breakfast here, which I found was expensive. It was about $20 for the typical continental breakfast you would get in any hotel. But outside there are not many options. There is a Tim Hortons and an A&W, and I didn't want to have any pre-packaged frozen food, so that's why I opted to have my breakfast here. Now my plan is to explore the Vancouver area, especially the downtown area and the surroundings, so stay tuned.